This is how it looks like when we go to the fields harvesting. Sorry that it's a little noisy over here. I'm sitting in a John Deere 1130 LS. In front of us a John Deere 955, 12 feet head, and we are in Yahururu harvesting over here. It's an amazing place, amazing opportunities. Let me show you how it really looks like if you pass by the fields. So this field ain't ready yet to be harvested, and people wonder why you need small machinery in Africa, because you need to pass by such roads, huh? Not that easy. The weed hasn't been good. They've had some issues. A lot of grass is growing in between. But we can change that. We can change that in future. I really believe with the right people, with the right technology, things can be done pretty well. Let's continue the journey of the 955. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I really love it. This is how the maize looks like. So people have been asking, how does it look like? What kind of structure do we have over here? There's really little structure. What kind of soil do we have? Where I am right now, it's a lot of red soil. Then how many on average, how many people on average, how big is the fields? It's about 2 to 3 acres. You have to understand that small scale farmers make the majority of the farmers in Kenya, but we do also have large scale, so it's to capture the whole market. That's how it looks like over here. And the journey is pretty much fast. Just gotta keep up with the speed. So you ever wanted to see how Kenya looks like? I'm showing you. This is Kenya. My lovely Kenya. Lovely Kenya. Woo. That's our roads. I love them. Beautiful roads. Awesome. So that's enough. 5 minutes driving with me should be more than good. Sorry if it got a little bit bored and a little bit noisy, but hey, that's how it is. Have a great day, people.